Toyota Tacoma 6-foot bed. If you have a Tacoma with a long bed, here's why the RetraxPRO XR is the best cover. Security. You have a key for it and it locks up. So you just go out here, unlock it, push this. Easy one-hand operation. Look at how smooth this thing glides. You don't have to fold anything. In one strong push, you get your whole cover open. No one likes the power ones. You have to wait for that thing to open. This one, in 1 second, it's done. You can still go out to your truck, lower tailgate, grab your stuff. This one has the XR rail, T-slot rail, so you can put rack accessories on there. Heavy duty aluminum. They do make a polycarbonate version of this cover. This is called the RetraxPRO. It's the heavy duty aluminum. Lifetime warranty, easy operation. You do take up some space with it, but you got a 6-foot bed, so you can still fit stuff under there. And you have the ability to add racks on top with this cover. Simple clamp-on installation. Your track system will still stay there. You can still have this track system there. Everything is easy install, no drilling. The only optional area that you could drill is for the drain tubes, but you don't have to do that if you don't want to. It looks the best, it works the best. RetraxPRO XR, Truck Access Plus. We have them in stock. We can ship them to you or install it here. We did one more accessory on this truck we got to show you. It's called the NFAB Epics. These steps look good on any truck, especially Toyotas. They look like that factory step. Easy entry to your truck, very strong. Steel, heavy duty, matte black. We specialize in truck bed covers, running boards, racks, and more. Shop with Truck Access Plus today.